I'm gonna try some of it now. I know it's going to be so good. It is so good. It is really so good. Hello! Today I'm going to be showing you a dessert recipe, and that's called croissant pudding. It has a very French ingredient, which is the croissant. I've been making it for years and it's always been a big hit, so I'm looking forward to showing you how I make it. And I've tried many variations of this recipe. It's going to be something very simple and not too many ingredients, so I hope you're going to enjoy it as much as I do. Let's get started. And it's not necessary to pick up croissant from the boulangerie. I've just picked up from the supermarket, and yes, I think that this is good enough for the recipe. This recipe is good for 3 to 4 persons. The ingredients are 3 croissants, 2 eggs, 200 milliliters of milk, and 200 milliliters of medium heavy cream, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 50 gram sugar. Into an oven-proof dish, and using hands, tear off medium-sized chunks of the croissant and arrange them in a single or double layer. Many of the recipes have asked for the bottom of the dish to be greased using butter. You can do so if you wish, but I haven't done so as croissant contains a lot of butter already. Without any butter added, my dish will turn out smelling awesome, just as if a lot of butter has been added. Keeping the croissant dish aside, now I take a bowl into which I pour the milk and the medium heavy cream, and then I keep this aside. I measure out the sugar quantity to have 50 grams. I break the 2 eggs and beat them together. And pour in the sugar. Now I will mix in the 2 mixtures of milk and cream with eggs and sugar. Add in the cinnamon powder to the mix. I was very surprised when I came to France that I couldn't find the croissant pudding anywhere, and even my in-laws, they didn't know what is a croissant pudding. This is not something that is popular in France. I find this a very strange French recipe. This is a big hit with the French when I make it, and they love it. I pour over the liquid mixture into the croissant. I fill up every space in and around the croissant, basically making sure that the liquid mixture is even everywhere. It is important to gently press down the croissant that is above the liquid surface, so that they get moist and won't burn in the oven. Switch on the oven now to 190 degrees centigrade or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven preheats, let your croissant mix stand, soaking in all of the liquid mix. Once the oven temperature has reached 190 degrees centigrade, put in the croissant and let it bake for 30 minutes. During these 30 minutes that my croissant pudding is going to be cooked, I'm going to go outside because it's a sunny day today. Wow! I'm just back from my walk and I still have 15 minutes more before I switch off the oven. I wish that through my video you could smell. It smells heavenly. It's wonderful. Have a look. Oh, this smells wonderful. See, it's really soft. Can you see how it shakes? You can add over it some almond slithers or raisins or chocolate bits. I like to have mine with some vanilla ice cream. I highly recommend you. I would really suggest that you give this recipe a try. I hope you've enjoyed this video of mine, and I'll see you in my next one. A bientôt!